How do I use my keyfile to sftp transfer data from one server to another? I can't SCP, the other server only takes sftp connections. Currently, I am trying to do I keyname does not work, just resolves with illegal option I.
Try. You can use O to pass any option that's valid in ~/.ssh/config.
Copy your public key to the server using traditional means. On server, create .ssh if it doesn't exist. Implement the public key. Set appropriate permissions. OpenSH is very anal about the permissions of the files in question. After that, you should be able to log in from the client using the private key. To automate a transfer, you want to use a batch file, which is just a text file containing a list of commands to execute. Alternatively, feel free to create a /.ssh/config file in ssh_config format so you can just type this in the future. Sample contents of ~/.ssh/config.
I got into this issue recently, and what worked for me in my MacBook default terminal setup is the following. Note: you might be promoted with unprotected private key file. Message, in which case you need to run this command to make sure your private key is not accessible by others. In some cases you need to put sudo in front of the command. This is only if you are working in an admin protected directory. I wish that's helpful. Smile.
If you are looking to set up sftp on EC2, this article might help.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.